Welcome! Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to be doing a quick review of this tripod that I've been using to do my tabletop videos as of late. So what it comes with, you have the box that it comes in. So pretty good size. To get it in the box, you actually have to pull any attachments that you have onto it off first. So it fits everything perfectly, but you just have to have everything disassembled when you put it back in. It comes with a little remote, so with this remote you can either connect with your Android or iOS through Bluetooth, and you can start recording or take a photo or whatever from a distance, which is really nice. So if you wanted to get like a photo without having to, do a timed photo or something like that, that'd be helpful. This is the little piece that you can lodge the phone in. You just kind of slide the phone in and then it'll keep it attached. And then this, I haven't used this piece yet and I don't imagine I will. It's for any just like sport cameras, like a GoPro or something like that. And then this is the tripod itself. If you've never worked with a tripod like this, it has very flexible legs. They're a little bit not straight right now because I've used them, but they're very flexible. So I'll get into some of the ways that you could maneuver these tripods to make them useful as far as tabletop recording goes. So I'll get into that really quick. So each of these attachments have a little notch right there where you can thread it on to this piece right here. And it's very simple, you just thread it on. So here I have the phone attachment threaded on. As you can see, it took me a couple seconds, and for the rest of this video, I'm gonna film from a different angle because I unfortunately only have one of these tripods, and yeah, let's change the angles up. Just to show you guys how easy this is, I have a Nintendo Switch, which is considerably wider than the iPhone 8 that I have. You can just slide it right in, and it stays in nice and taut. And then you loosen this piece right here to the left, and it actually is on this little ball that can rotate around to get any angle that you like. And if you really want to, you can actually just have a little slit right here that you can move it completely down and record sideways as such. So if you had your phone and you wanted to record vertically rather than horizontally, you can do that as an option. And then from there, you can tighten up the ball. There we go, so it won't move anymore, and then you have the tripod. You can extend out the legs, and you can continually move it to get the proper angles that you want. Once again, these tripod legs are very flexible. So for example, for my tabletop videos, when I open up the cards, I need it to get a lot closer to the table than this, so I'm not like constantly raising up my arms. So what I do is I kind of lift up both sides as such, and I kind of wrap it. And then I also move it back up because I want the widescreen view for the videos, and I can move it back up and then angle it downwards. And then I can have, once again, you can continually adjust it to fit your video needs perfectly, but this is just to demonstrate how flexible it really is as far as videotaping goes. For connecting the Bluetooth, it's very simple. It actually already comes with batteries. It has those, It has those types of batteries like you find for like a watch or like certain lights or whatever, but I imagine they last pretty long, and when you use them, you don't have to use them for very long. But it's just simple switching it on, finding it on your Bluetooth, and once you find it, it connects almost instantaneously, and you can easily, they have an iOS button and an Android button, and you can click it depending on if you have it on video or photo taking. It'll automatically send that signal to do that from afar, so it's extremely handy. I actually haven't used it for any of my videos yet because the nature of my videos, I can just press the button, but it could be very handy if you wanted to, take a photo with your partner or something and you had the tripod set up already. It's another way. And then personally, I haven't used this piece a lot, so I can only speak for, using phones and all of that, but overall, it's just a very versatile tripod. It only costs $19.99, got it off Amazon, so of course expedited shipping. And I wasn't trying to get any fancy equipment or anything like that. I use my iPhone because phones nowadays record pretty good quality, and this tripod just fit my needs perfectly. So if you're just looking for a tabletop camera or even just a traditional, just smaller tripod, because as you can see, it can't get up that high, but you can angle it to fit your needs. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I appreciate you watching this review.